Hi everyone! In today's 2-minute comparison, we're going to pan-sear one filet mignon for 1 minute on both sides. Then we're going to bake it low and slow in a 300-degree oven. Then after that, we're going to follow a popular online recipe that calls for a 2-minute pan-sear on both sides, followed by a hot and fast bake at 415 degrees. Alright, let's do it. Now these filets are coming straight out of the fridge, so internally they're super cold. And we're just going to prep them with a little olive oil and some salt and pepper. Now these filets will start with a 1-minute sear on each side over high heat, so I'm going to set the timer for 2 minutes and flip it after 1. It looks like we're about ready to flip and insert our thermometer. Now that our filets are in the oven, I'm setting a 1-hour timer so I can keep track of the elapsed cooking time. And I'm also setting my target temperature on both steaks for 135 degrees. I'm also going to slide the log data switch so I can take a look at how our steaks cooked later. Both of these steaks are perfectly edible, but the extra minute of pan-searing really makes the difference for hot and fast. Just be sure to account for an extra 5 degrees of rise time during the rest period. Also, if you enjoyed this 2-minute comparison, consider taking a more in-depth look at our 2-minute analysis. Specifically, why did we get these results and how did we combine them to make the perfect fillet? Also, let us know if you have any questions or have a comparison in mind that you'd like to see us do. Cheers!